feel like I shouldn't even say it at this point. Once again, back at the country club. So, the past like 2 days, it rained, well, stormed, and the course is like, most of it is like flooded. What didn't work? I think a branch fell out of the tree like that. It did. Here's some more of the flooding. Look at my car. But guys, still out here at the country club. It's actually 10 minutes after we were supposed to go home, but there's a lot to do, you can see. There's a bunch of logs. I've been doing this for a while. And this isn't the only cut. There was 3 of these already. Here's another one. Dang it. Alright, so as you saw, I was moving T-boxes, or not moving T-boxes, I was moving the T-circle things. It's what people like, you have to hit your ball from those circle things pretty much, like in between them. So I'm doing that, and I'm also raking bunkers.